everyone, welcome to another vlog. If this is your first time here, my name is Adrienne and I typically vlog about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. Speaking of the latter, I wanted to incorporate more of my life into this vlog outside of the realms of travel and outfits. That's been the sole focus of my YouTube channel. However, I do want to expand in territories I cover. If you're not already aware, I am an Apple girl. From the iPhone to the MacBook Pro, I've been using Apple products for as long as I can remember. I've been using an iPad for different things and it was one of the OG iPads, probably the first generation. And unfortunately it met its maker. It's working on and off, but it was time to upgrade and get another iPad. I will be doing an iPad unboxing and review. I filmed a little bit of it for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, so I'll insert it here. For my new iPad, I got the 10th generation with Wi-Fi, and I got the one with 256 gigabytes. I know I won't be necessarily taking pictures with it, but I may want to edit videos on it, store things, upload things to YouTube, and a variety of other things. So having that optional storage space is really good for me. The iPad 10 comes in a variety of colors, but I chose to stick with the basics and got the silver. Comparing this to my current iPad, I cannot believe how lightweight this is. The iPad I've been using is so chunky and clunky and really heavy. So in the back, it's very sleek, as you can see here. The front is just your basic screen. The box is like such. You open this tab and oh, it's falling apart. So it comes with a USB-C charger. I actually do prefer USB-C chargers because it charges so much more efficiently and faster. All right, so let's boot this bad boy up. All right, so I don't know exactly how to film this or what I'm going to do, but I'll go through it step by step with you guys. So of course it says hello and it goes through all the languages. Of course I already missed the English version, so let's wait for it again. So the next screen that appears asks for languages that you want. Of course I want English. Select your country or region, US for me. And appearance, it looks like you can choose how you would like your text and icons to appear. So you have the default, let's see, medium, oh wow, and large. Oh, okay. So it's great for those who have any difficulty seeing things. Maybe you don't want to use your glasses. This is definitely great because it really accounts for that. So kudos to Apple. I'm going to stick with the default version. All right, so choose a Wi-Fi network. I'm just going to do this without showing the screen. And then now it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. This is a 10.9 inch and it is really, really good. Okay, next is ask for data and privacy. And then it's setting up your iPad. And then Touch ID. So use your fingerprint in place of a passcode or Apple ID password for purchases. And I guess the Touch ID is up here. That's so cool. Sharing your iPad with someone, there's an option to add another fingerprint, which is super cool. And then it'll ask for you to capture all of your fingerprint. So you just place and lift at the top power button. Create an iPad password just in case the fingerprint doesn't work. At this point, I'll ask you to transfer your apps and data if you want to, and it can be from iCloud backup, another iPad, Mac or PC, or Android. I'm not going to transfer anything. The screen that pops up is Apple ID. So you can sign in with an email, phone number to use iCloud, App Store, other Apple services. And then terms and conditions pop up. Click agree. Next screen that pops up is update your iPad automatically. Next screen is location services. There's also an option for Siri, and then you can select a Siri voice. Okay, let's go with one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
I'm sorry, but I'm not comfortable with a man as Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
It's a little high-pitched.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
I don't know.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
She sounds more OG.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. Hi, I'm Siri.
I like the OG one. now Siri is ready. iPad will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. Once you're talking to Siri, you can add another request without saying its name again. Okay. Next is improve Siri and dictation. Next screen is screen time. Get a weekly report, and then light or dark display. So you have light, dark, and automatic. Welcome to iPad. Oh, okay. So definitely need to readjust everything that's on the screen right now, but here is the base that it comes with. So you have the clock, notes, news, calendar, weather. It says Cupertino, need to adjust that. FaceTime files, reminders, maps, home camera, app store, books, podcasts, Apple TV, news, settings. And then down here you have messages, Safari, iTunes, mail, calendar, photos, notes, and just another widget for all your apps such as email, news, and other things and the likes. And it just expands. So I am going to play with this, add a ton of things of apps I actually use, and I will come back and do a review maybe again in 1 month. It's been about 4 months since I recorded that previous version, and I've had a lot of time to get acquainted with my iPad. I absolutely love it. It's been so useful in editing photos. I can show you an example right now, but with the functionality, with everything, it's basically like a larger screen iPhone. I just shot some pictures for a campaign, and I'll show you here. I was able to edit these pictures on the iPad as well. This is what it looks like. It's very clear, very sleek. I do prefer editing on the iPad because of the larger screen. I'm well aware that I can edit these on my MacBook, but the ability to just edit with my fingers and just zoom in and zoom out so effortlessly is amazing. I love how I can just pinch and squeeze. The screen resolution on this is amazing. I use this to watch YouTube videos. The volume is great on this as well. I downloaded a few apps on this and they're able to work seamlessly. The one thing I will say is for Instagram, it's still very small. I don't believe they've updated their app for the iPad or to make it fit as well as it should. You'll see that you still have the 2 empty black spaces on either side. It's just a larger version of what you would see on your iPhone. I wish they would just make it a little more integrated with the iPad interface. This is what it would look like if you made it smaller, so I like viewing it on the fuller size. If you have an iPad 10 or any of the iPads and have apps that you absolutely love, please let me know. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.